So number one, you're going to find that these are almost identical to the geometry word problems, right? The only thing is we don't have a box. We don't have something, we don't have a picture we can draw, right? But we do exactly what it says. It says one number is 4 more than another. Now, is the one number or the another number the foundation?
Another
Another
number.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
Because this one number is 4 more than another. It's based on another, right? So I'm going to underline another, and I'm going to put an X over another. That immediately tells me that's my first number. Okay? Make sense? So my first number, it's X. Now my second number
X plus 4.
is, it says it's 4 more than another. So I put the 4 more, that's off to the right, plus 4. Then I come back and I put my X. Right? Remember this? So you writing this down? Make sure you write this down. This is important. You'll never do the homework if you don't write these down. All right, those are our two numbers. Does that make sense? You see how we got them? Our one number is 4 more than another. Another is X. So this number is 4 more than X plus 4.
So which one's
Right.
smaller?
So now, yeah, now it says 4 times the smaller. Now the question is, which is smaller?
Don't you always say the X is bigger?
No.
X is smaller.
Which would be smaller? I mean, this one you're adding 4 to it. Doesn't matter what X is, right? Please stop. You're adding 4 to it, right? So this has to be the larger one. Do you guys agree with me? There's no way that could be smaller. This is larger, and this is smaller. You guys see that? That's really key to set that up as larger and smaller. Does that make sense, Brianna? You seem so tired today. I mean, why? You go to bed on time? Eyes are like half asleep.
No.
Okay. So now we actually are going to do exactly word for word what it says to do. And I am going to actually follow with my finger until we do it. It says 4 times the smaller. So where's the smaller? This, right? So how would I write 4 times the smaller? Okay, that's 4x. All right, we just handled this. 4 times the smaller. Then it says is equal to.
Equals.
Do you guys agree?
Yes.
Is equal to is an equal sign. So you write equals. And then it says 3 times the larger. So 3 times means 3 parentheses because we've got a blob here, right?
Right.
It's a binomial. We've got to have a parenthesis here. So 3 times the larger, 3 parentheses, and the larger is x plus 4, close parenthesis. And then the last thing it says, increase by 1. Increase, would it be plus 1 or minus 1?
Plus.
Plus, right? Plus 1. There's our equation. Now we're just ready to solve it. So you have to get rid of the parentheses to solve these problems. So Andrea, you watching, my dear? You listening and watching? You have to get rid of the parentheses. So you've got to use the distributive property. I'm assuming you guys know this. 4x is equal to 3x plus 12 plus 1. So now I'm going to subtract 3x, I have x is equal to, what's 12 plus 1? 13. So am I done? I have to go back to the question. What does it say? It says, find the numbers. So
it's actually not
x is 13. So now I come back to my original thing where I wrote first number is x. Second number is x plus 4.
Oh, so the second number is 17.
Right. So my first number, so I can say the numbers are 13 and 13 plus 4, which is 17. And that's my answer, right?
Right.
Make sense? I don't really have time to do the other one.
You only have so why don't we just work on homework?
Doesn't matter. I'll just.
We have it.
So, are there any questions on this?
No, it's easy.
Makes sense to you?
That
Makes
seems
sense?
more
Makes
simpler
sense?
than the last one he taught
Makes
us.
sense?
It seems more.
Yeah.
It seems much. It seems easier than the last one we did.
Subscribe. Well, it's less wordy,
Yeah.
right? It's way less wordy. So, okay, good.